Hello everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy. I'm just going to do a very small review on the yarns that I picked up at Hobbycraft. I don't actually go to Hobbycraft very often. It's in a bit of a really difficult to find or difficult to get to place in Maidstone, which I don't really like driving around there unless I have to. And as my partner wanted things from the hobby shop, I thought, well, it would actually be rude not to check out the yarn. So even though I've probably got more yarn than places to stash it. So when I saw this Hayfield Spirit though, I just had to have it. Isn't it amazing? Just beautiful. I'm going to make myself a mile a minute wrap, and I want to use this as the colour that goes around each strip. So it'll be the main yarn in in the wrap. So I'm looking forward to getting stuck in with that. And then whilst upstairs looking at the models, which I saw this in the clearance, and it's called Shiny Dancer, but if you look, it's really got a lovely sheen to it. And it is the softest yarn I think I've ever felt in my entire life. They've got loads of it, so it's worth checking out. While I was there, I also saw this, and I just had to try it. It's black with a green lurex thread, and it's in the bonus glitter section of, it's another Hayfield, but I really had to try it. I'd been looking to make myself a sparkly shawl, and I'd purchased this cello yarn, which is a purple with different colour lurex threads running through it. It's very soft, and it's mystic yarn. It wasn't from Hobbycraft, but when I saw this one, I had to give it a try, because I thought, if I don't know whether I want to make it like black with the green running through it, or if I want to make this one. I'm really in two minds now. But I have to say that this cello, I didn't purchase at Hobbycraft, as I said. It was actually online at I think it was an online store called The Magic Loop. They were very, very reasonable. Found them on Facebook on the group I belong to. Well, that's all that I've got for you from Hobbycraft, although there is an awful lot at Hobbycraft. I did buy myself, actually, while I was there, a Caron cake, and I made a virus shawl with it. And I was really, really not happy, because there was a great deal of colour faults in the yarn, and when I complained to Yarnspirations, they virtually told me to take it back, but that wasn't very helpful because I'd already made it. So I would show it to you, but I don't know where I've put it. Threw it somewhere in disgust. So before I go, it would be great if you would subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell at the side, and you'll get notified of any new videos that get uploaded. And if you could give this video a thumbs up, that would be great. And it would really help me grow my channel if you just subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.